Hello, beautiful people. If you're new here, my name is Adrianne, and if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe. Welcome to the only functioning corner of my foam room that I have right now. You guys are kind of like shoved up into a pile of clothes because I'm still in the process of renovating our laundry room into our closet because we turned our closet into our bedroom, like where the bed goes. Anyways, it's a long story. We're doing a lot of projects all at once, kind of because they need to happen all at once. But yes, this is a tiny section of my film room that I'm filming. But welcome! We are doing an unboxing today, and this is probably going to be broken up into a few different days because I still have a lot more boxes coming in. And some of the stuff is gifted to me, and some of it is also stuff that I have bought myself or that Dion has bought himself. So welcome. Let's get started. Ta-da! We've got a lot going on here. Let's start off with the small ones first. Putting you off to the side. All right, just like making sure you guys can't see my address because, well, actually no. A lot of this is sent to my P.O. box. I do have a P.O. box now. So brands, if you're interested in sending me some things, it's gonna be down in the description box. But this was not sent to my P.O. box because I forgot to send it to my P.O. box. So it was sent to my house. Gotta love those neighbors. It was sent to my house, so we're not going to show you that address. But I'm pretty sure this is from Walmart. Yes, it is. This is my raspberry seed oil. Love this stuff. I like mixing it with rosehip oil and using it as like an elixir, but I do have my own kind of like secret blend of oils that I use on my face. And this is one of them, same with the rosehip oil. But I got the rosehip oil a few days ago and I needed to like slather it on my skin because it wasn't doing so hot. But this is magic too. And we'll get into the benefits of this in another video. So stay tuned for that. I don't really know what this is. Let's see. It's from Amazon. Oh, hello. We've got some plugs, some USB plugs because we don't have enough of them, and a lot of things now that we've been buying don't come with the plugs. Very annoying, but we have these now, and I don't know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is Dion's Ethernet cord. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this up because I'm not gonna mess with whatever that is. So he's the techie guy. I am not. This was gifted to me. Thank you so much, Odell, for sending me this. I have a pretty good idea of what's in here. I'm pretty sure it's the leave-in conditioner, but I don't know what else is in here. One sec. Look at that. We love minimal packaging. Reduces waste, but still keeps them protected. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have the moisture mask. Yes, been needing this, needing to try this as well. So we have that. We have, yes, the leave-in conditioner. Very excited to try this. Probably gonna do a short on this. For sure doing a TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, what are you doing? I post so much more on there than I do on here. Give me a follow. And what is this? Oh, the texturizing sea salt spray. This is gonna be interesting. I've tried a sea salt spray before, actually 2 different sea salt sprays. The first one I really enjoyed. It was, what was it? It was by Not Your Mother's, their Beach Babe Wave I'll put a photo here somewhere. Really enjoyed that one years ago. And then I tried another one that my brother-in-law had. Did not like that at all. It was very sticky and just did not do anything for my hair. So very interested in trying this out. Thank you so much, Odell. Very excited. Thank you. Oh, another gifted here. This is from Ray Wellness. Love their vitamins. Oh my goodness, I use their vitamins every single day. It has been helping so much with my hair. A little backstory on like my hair and my health. I have found out that I cannot have gluten, and because of that, I have not been able to absorb the nutrients that I need, and my hair has been like falling out. So it's not as thick and as luxurious and full and just how it should be. And these have been helping immensely. I have 3 different kinds that I'm using right now, and I will pop them up here and also down in the description below. But let's see what they sent. I'm very excited because I love their vitamins. Love their vitamins. Okay, so they sent me de-stress, calm your mind, and fight mental fatigue. A pre and probiotic. This is to balance your gut health and support your digestion. We have a vegan collagen boost to support and protect your body's natural collagen production. This I'm very interested in trying. I have like the powdered form in a container that I can mix into smoothies and stuff like that, but I feel like I can taste it and I don't like the taste so much. And we also have a multivitamin. Very excited for this multivitamin to nourish your body for health and well-being. Also, one of my favorite things about Ray Wellness is the fact that their vitamins don't taste like because you know how some supplements have like this earthy or bitter kind of taste, or like when you take fish oils, they have a fishy kind of taste to them. These do not have that. They have like a minty fresh kind of taste and aroma to them, and it's just perfection. So thank you so much, Ray. Love you guys, and I cannot wait to try these out. All right, back into the things that I have bought for myself. What is this? This is also from Amazon. Ooh, okay, so we've got a nail tool set, stainless steel. I think this is so I can like do pedicures and like do my own manicures, because let me tell you, I had a really bad experience with a manicure up in the Bronx, and it was for a job, and it was one of the worst manicures of my life, and it was a hand modeling job, so I really need my nails to look really good that day, and they did not, but it's okay because I still got paid. But like I normally get gels, and for gel you're just supposed to buff the nail, and they did not do that. They grinded down my nail like as if they were going to be doing acrylic. And we're not a fan of that. So now I have like an indentation in my nails, which really sucks, but we're gonna start doing our own nails because I know how to do my own nails. But you know, it's nice to treat yourself every now and then, but you need to go to the right person. This is another kit. We got some more nail stuff. What is this? What is this? Oh, we've got atomizers for fragrances, because I have like bulk sized fragrances, and it's really hard to use them when they don't come with an atomizer. So I'm going to be filling these bad boys up with my fragrances, labeling them, and taking them with me wherever I go, because it's easier that way. And what else do we have in here? Aha! We got a sponge holder for my sink, because I need this very much. Dion has a habit of putting our sponges into like a bowl or like a container, just a container with like soap and water and stuff like that. And oh, it grosses me out, and I know it harbors bacteria when he does that. And I'm trying to get him out of the habit of doing that. So, sponge holder for the sink. Another Amazon package. This one's on the heftier side. Let's see. I feel like this is gonna be my doggy poop bags because we ran out. Aha! Yes! We've got doggy poop bags. Guys, I don't think you understand how stressful it's been. We've been like rationing poop bags. Oh, it's been a mess. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Dude, having 4 dogs is no joke, especially when they go number 2 and you gotta pick that up, you know? So poop bags, need to have them handy. I have 2,000 bags here. They smell. What do they smell like? You know when you go to a hospital, like your doctor's office, it has almost like an astringent smell? Yeah, that's what these smell like. I actually don't mind the smell. They don't smell like poop. I feel like some of you guys are probably gonna say that. It doesn't smell like poop. But we also have these. One of them has one filled already, and then this one is empty. These are also a godsend for whenever we take the dogs out, especially on road trips, let me tell you. And yes, getting 2,000 bags is very much so needed. Again, I have 4 dogs, 2 of them are very large, and they do like bigger than human-sized poops, so needed. And last package for today, because again, we got some more coming. Big box for what's in here. We have a, what is this? This is a cup scrubber. I have been needing this for a very long time because the glassware that we have, I get so nervous with cleaning them out with a sponge because I cut myself one year doing that, and it was a very deep cut, and I probably should have gotten stitches for it, but I didn't, so now I have a scar there. But yes, this needed. Also got myself some gel polish, the Gayoi Interpretation of Color Life. I got gels. It's like a jelly kind of color nude set. I will be doing my nails probably tomorrow. And what do we have here? Interesting. Droppers for the fragrances, just to make it easier to transfer into the atomizers. But yes, that is all. That is my unboxing for today. I will probably be back in a few days with more boxes to unbox. So thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a while since I've been back. Thank you guys for being patient and for maybe rewatching my content and following me on my other social media. I've got Instagram, I've got TikTok, I'm not on Twitter. Well, I am on Twitter, but I don't get on Twitter, so don't waste your time with that. But I am back, I am here, and I'm also here. And I'm so happy to be back. Yes. How have you guys been? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great one. Stay beautiful. Bye.